Hey everybody, in this video I'd like to show you guys how you can make $100 a day using classified ads and affiliate marketing. Okay, let's get started. So, the first method is free stuff. In the free stuff sections of Craigslist and related classified sites, you can offer free stuff like gift cards or consoles or phones for free. And the way you would go about this is you would say you've decided to return the item, but you can't. And after receiving the interested emails, you would tell them that you've given it away already. But you know of a site where you can get the item for free, or they could win it for free. And you would use, in the case of where you can get the item for free, you would use a content locker. And in the case of where you could win the item, you would use a sweepstake offer. Okay. Next method is car loans. And this is a pretty rare method that I've never really heard many people talk about. So essentially in the car sections of Craigslist, you would offer a car for sale and include it in the description. You would tell people about getting a car loan. This is also, if you can find a great or a good car loan pay-per-call offer that allows Craigslist, you could use that, or you could just use car loan CPA offers. Next is dating. This is a pretty, I feel like this is a pretty well-known way of going about it, going about promoting CPA offers, and that is dating. You would essentially be catfishing people into thinking you're a girl or a guy, and you'd be directing them into a dating site. So you'd be saying, if you would like to talk to me further, or you would like to check me out on the cam site, of course the dating site and the cam site would be the offer. And when people go to sign up to those sites to talk to you or get to know you more, they'd be converting. So this is best done on less known classified sites because Craigslist doesn't really allow dating anymore. You could try to use the discussion forums in the community category on Craigslist, however. Gigs and jobs. You'd make an ad that looks like a real job. Okay, directing people to your email to get more information. And then you would send them to your bridge. Sending them to your bridge page, not your bridge job, which introduces them to the offer. Then you would send them from the bridge page to your offer. The best offers to use would be surveys or actual job offers. You could also use website/test app testing offers. ClickBank currently has some pretty good offers that look like pretty good. They'll actually look like real jobs, and they have like a whole funnel set up that feels like you're actually able to apply for a real job. And then people essentially buy packages about learning how to make incomes with gig work and online jobs and such. Housing. This is another rare one. Essentially, you post for a house. You post an ad for a house, and you would direct people out of Craigslist to see the rest of the house or to see further detail. And you would content lock this site with a human verification. The trick here is to make the house rent or the price of the house cheaper than normal, which will get a lot of people interested in the house. It could also work with cars as well. You could also direct people to Section 8 offers or housing related offers. Fiverr affiliates. So essentially, you would post super cheap services, tell people to email you for more info, and then you would direct them to a Fiverr gig, which makes this pretty simple. Um, you could you would probably do better with drop servicing because you could charge a higher price, and you would also build a customer base that might come back to you. Um, Best done with logo gigs, flyer gigs, digital marketing gigs, and other business related gigs. And you would post in services for being offered and such. Pay-per-call offers. You would need a pay-per-call network which allows you to do Craigslist. Usually, the pay-per-call offers that allow Craigslist are local services like lawn care, roofing, and other similar services. Most, if you were a real business, most if you want to post as if you were a real business offering a service, directing people to call you, and you want to mimic other successful services, local businesses in the area. eBay Partner Network. So you would post an item on eBay for sale on Craigslist, directing people to that eBay listing through your eBay affiliate link to the eBay product listing. This is best done with good deals that are on eBay. You could also say it's already been sold, and direct people to eBay as an alternative. Event tickets. You have a ticket for sale. You don't plan on using them anymore because something came up or something happened. Post cheap prices. You want to have a cheap ticket price, and you want to tell people it's already sold, and direct interested people to go check out Ticketmaster or another affiliate program for tickets. And you could also find ticket offers or ticket being sold on eBay and try to get a affiliate link for that. Travel. You could find a good travel offer, something like a free trip or a flight booking site affiliate program, and direct people to cheap flights, or tell people there's a special going on that site you're promoting. You want to frame it as such. You want to frame it in such a way people feel compelled to check it out, and find a good offer in the travel niche. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and remember to take action and tell me how your results go.